এভরিওয়ান আবার নিয়ে এসেছি তোমাদের জন্য নিউ ভিডিও। আজকে ক্লাস 10 এসএ সিরিজের সেকেন্ড দিন। তোমাদের এই এসএটি মানে 2024-25 সালের এসেছিল। এই এসএটি খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ এই ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ। চলো, খুবই সিম্পল ওয়ার্ডে দেওয়া আছে, শুরু করা যাক। Importance of physical exercise. Physical exercise means any activity that helps keep our body fit and healthy. It includes walking, running, jumping, cycling, swimming, and other physical activities. Exercise keeps the body strong, the mind active, and the heart healthy. It plays a very important role in maintaining a balanced life. In today's world, most people live a busy but interactive lifestyle. Many spend long hours sitting in front of computers, televisions, or mobile phones. This lack of movement leads to problems like obesity, heart disease, and stress. Regular exercise helps prevent these problems. When we exercise daily, our body burns extra fat and improves blood circulation. It also strengthens your muscles and bones. Exercise is not only good for physical health but also for mental health. It helps in your reduce stress and anxiety by releasing hormones that make us feel happy and relaxed. A morning walk or a short workout gives energy for the whole day and improves concentration in work or studies. Students who exercise regularly often perform better because it keeps their minds fresh. There are many types of exercise to suit different people. Children can play outdoor games like football, cricket, and badminton. Adults may prefer jogging or yoga, while older people can do light exercise or walking in a park. What matters most is regularity. Even 30 minutes of daily exercise can make a big difference. In conclusion, physical exercise is essential for everyone, no matter their age. It keeps the body fit, the brain sharp, and the heart joyful. Exercise teaches discipline, patience, and self care. A healthy body is the foundation of happy life. So we should make exercise a part of our daily রুটিন। সো আজকের জন্য এটুকুই তোমাদের জন্য, এটি তোমাদের নোটে লিখে নেবে। এখান থেকে প্রায় আসতে পারে তোমাদের। এটা খুবই সিম্পল, মানে গত বছর এসেছিল। সো আজকের জন্য এটুকুই। লাইক শেয়ার কমেন্ট করে দিবে এবং বন্ধুদের মাঝে শেয়ার করে দেবে।